Welcome to my new intro.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make.
Hello, what's up, my nice, clean people? How you doing? Welcome back to Life with Corey Goodas. Yes, guys, and today, guys, I have an update for you with something. It may be old to some people, but me know it's gonna be new to a lot of people, guys. So in this video, as you can see, is a policeman threatening a person, and from what I am seeing, this coming like is something personal. To me, this is something personal, because all this a police are the bad up for himself. If I never something personal, trust me, he would have done put him hand on the man already. But people, me are gonna make a listen what I go on the video here. And I want to tell me, cause me have a lot more to say on the situation. Cause me not like what I go on the video here. Me not like what I go on. I mean not like how the police are deal with the man. You understand? Because it have law and it have mean and way to deal with stuff. You understand? So guys, I want to listen for yourself, and I want to comment down below and tell me what you think about this video and what the police say to the guy. Because I'm not even telling you, I want to listen for yourself and leave a comment down below. What's your take on the situation? Because let me tell you something, man. Jamaica is not a real place, as people that say Jamaica is not a real place. And the way all the people them are going, I mean, if I say the police them are going, trust me, people, it hurt my soul. You understand? It hurt me the way all the police them are going. How them treat the people them like them themselves is not human being. You understand? And me not lie, me lose out for the government too. Me not lie, me lose out for the government, because listen to me. When I will sit and say people not blame government, we say, oh, the government don't give me nothing for my pitney when they have birth control and stuff like that. So if you don't want to take birth control and you will get pregnant and government don't give you nothing, you can't blame the government. But situation like this, But situation like this, me I go blame the government, because guess what? Too much corrupted police in the system, and them not doing nothing from it. Me no care which party. Me attack government in general. Them not do nothing about these corrupted cops, and them a get away with too much things. Them police are, me not saying a bad man way I do things, But you see, if this is the way how police deal with situation, look for him. Him is a bad man police. Him is a bad man police. He may be one of them hitman police there. So let's get down.
What you know about me? What you know about me? What you know about me? Tell a friend and say, anytime you enter me, all you know what you got. Full of blood clot, dead. You hear me say? You hear me say? Any idiot. Any idiot. Pussy, pussy. Yeah. Come here. I don't understand this.
So yes, guys, we can see what I want, so we can talk on the matter right now, right? So basically, it come like this is personal, and people, me want to share the video, and me want it reach to 100 wellness, because this is something personal. This is not police, but this is something personal. You hear what I'm saying? Him want to hold him and him friend them with the gun so him can bust them pussy. And that him says, sorry for my language, people. That's what the police say to the man. And like basically must say them a call him name. So how the hell a police can there in our area and I tell a man say anyhow them call him name again, him and them are gonna have something. You understand? Wanna see where I try come from? That's why I tell you say this is personal. This is not just no. This is not bad man them a hunt off or nothing like that. You understand? This is some personal issue. And then you hear the next squad say, you hear him say, hey, mind me if you mash up that phone, the man. I saw them grown and deal with people. Them police here, I saw them grown and deal with people. You understand? Yeah, I saw them deal with people. You see me? I mean, I tell you, say, me lose out for the police system in a Jamaica. Long time. Long time. You understand? Forgive me because it have good police, you know. It have some of them we are good. But you see some of them one here, I uno make it bad for lot of police because it have good right to decent police who respect themselves and respect them job and really come to protect and serve. But you see, because of some of that's why crime can't stop in a Jamaica. Reason being why the crime cannot stop in Jamaica, guess what? People afraid to go to Uno. People afraid to go to Uno because Uno are the same police them where work with the bad man them. Because if something happen in the community, one of the things people now go talk. Because guess what? This one here, I will go back and say, and this one of the contact, you go always have this one person in there will corrupt and I go say something. And from the look at things, this whole team, a police writer saw them corrupted. You understand? Them corrupted. You see me? And them not deserve to serve Jamaica. Them not deserve to serve Jamaica. May I tell you no? Them not deserve to serve Jamaica. And this is, it's painful. For the way I deal with the man. For the way I deal with the man. And this is personal. Because let me tell you something. You see police. You see if the man did something wrong, the man do the way all this man are fiery. He must start beat the man already. The whole team, the whole of them need to be out of a job. Them need to be out of a job because this hurt my soul. Yeah, it hurt me. Me not really come out and vlog like this, you know. But situation like this, it hurt me. Let me tell you something. I grew up in a ghetto, you know, people. I grew up in a ghetto. You understand? I live in a yard, the police come in a yard, you know. And then just kick off people, you know. Some of them man not even living at the house. Some of them no man not even living at the house. Because you know most ghetto. Your woman alone live the dead. Man and them might left her or sitting and then they with them picnic alone. You understand? These are things that I see happen. You understand? And from me picnic me I see them something happen. You understand? Police at Jamaica don't use search warrant. First and foremost, police in Jamaica don't go by search warrant. Them come at your house, them not even knock on your door again. If you're not there, them reaching at your house. Them all like kick off your door. You understand? Them police here, them disrespect you, them say all kind of things to you. You see me? Then all people will trust you. If you come to you when them have problems. When you are the same one. You are the same one. When I protect the people them. Likewise, it have females in Jamaica where they go through abuse by man. Why you think enough of these females not talk? Because when they go report it to the police them not do nothing about it. Nothing. Until the man kill the woman them. Nothing at all. So you see, so more on to the
This a go on a little bit, boy. Can't afford everything on my shop.
And people look at
this a go on a little bit, boy. Can't afford everything on my shop.
this is just a show. Poor people not have no say in a Jamaica. Look upon the man food stuff them and ground and how the police them and to the man cat. You see him? Let me tell you something, man. You see him there come. Him there come. You see him act mighty, him there come. And I wish him could have seen the video here, because him can't call me, you know. You understand? Because I would have to come with a lot of people to come after me. You see me? But I wish him see the video here. You understand? Because this I got there here, you know. I wish him have a child who see the video here. See how him workless father, or him a deal with the people them things. You understand? That's why I could never live at Jamaica. Because Jamaica is not for poor people. Me I tell you now. Jamaica is not for poor people. Look how the police that do the man cat. And look on the food them are grown. The man hard earning money. And Andrew not doing nothing about this. You understand? The Prime Minister not doing nothing about this. And this is not only since Andrew oldness in our government. These things is happening long time. Because me, where I grew up, is close to a market. You understand? And a long time them something I go on. But because a lot of people never did have phone for video these things. You understand? No phone never really did long time they for the video them something here. But a long time them something I go on. You understand? It's a long time. You see me? But God have a place for him. You understand? Because remember say God make heaven and he make hell. And him a burn up in an eternal fire, man. Remember me tell you. Him a burn up in a eternal fire. Him and him crew ready there because let me tell you something, he's blind leading blind. Because if none of them couldn't tell him, say, why am I do wrong? You know how much money that they on the ground? Oh God, man. Let me tell you something, people tears at the pan, you know. People tears at the pan, you know. That's why I'm telling the people sometimes when you see some people, when them get older, you see them cripple up and them stay somewhere. God forbid, I'm not saying everybody's like that. I see them stay somewhere, people say, oh, he did good, and he did this, and he did that, and this happened to him, and that happened to him. This is the reason why. This is the reason why. Because of them little things I want to do to people, and people I want to compound. Yeah? So this is just some updates for you guys. And all these police treating people in Jamaica. You understand? It is very bad. It is very, very bad. You understand, guys? And trust me, if you're a good police, just take yourself out of the category. You understand? But you see, once you like this, or you sit and allow and watch these things happen, it's just like them. It's just like them. But me want to see what the Prime Minister.
This a go on a lipstick boy. Can't afford everything I mash up. Say road set, you see it?